Okay, here we go on our journey again. We are doing the Macintyre Range, which is Algonquin, Wright, and Iroquois tomorrow. We're currently at Lincoln Pond campground. We got a nice little fire going here, and we got our tent set up. So we're gonna tent here. We're only here from 8 until probably about 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning, and then we'll be on our way going over to the Macintyre Range. So this will be number 4, 5, and 6 for us. All right. So we'll see what it's like in the morning, or maybe we'll check in later on tonight.
How many views are there?
There's gonna be 3. We're going to 3 different summits. So we're going to
Algonquin.
We're gonna get 3 done tomorrow. Yep. All right. We'll check back in later, or maybe tomorrow morning. We'll see. Having a nice little fire. It's kind of damp, so the wood's wet, but we're managing somehow. Doing a pretty good job getting ready for the morning. We do want to give a huge shout out to Dave and Pauline for watching Bo, also Joy today. You know, that gives us the opportunity to come up here kind of on a late notice. Here we go, we're gonna go. It's supposed to be a nice day tomorrow, so we asked them if they could watch Bo. So they're watching Bo, and that gives us the opportunity to come and get some more in. They like fire. All right, it is now 6:37 in the morning. We are about to do the Macintyre Range. We're gonna get Algonquin, Iroquois, and Wright in. We're at the parking lot right now. The parking lot's filling up pretty quick. As we were driving in, there was a lot of clouds, but as of right now, I'm starting to see blue sky. I got really worried there, but I think we're gonna be okay. When we were driving in, there was definitely clouds in the peaks, but
it's turning sunny now.
Yep, hopefully it turns sunny, so we get some good views up there. All right, 6:38 start time. We'll see how long it takes us. Could take us a long time today. It's supposed to be over 10 miles, so all right, bless you. Off we go. All right, so we started out here on the Algonquin Trail here. So we're gonna do Wright first because Bryson wanted to do Wright first, which is fine. And on top of Wright, there is a old plane wreck from I think 1962. Some parts and stuff of the plane will be there. But we're gonna do Wright first. Algonquin is the number 2 highest peak in New York State at over 5,000 feet in elevation. So we got a lot of climbing to do today. So we're gonna knock these 3 out. And it's starting to open up in the skies, which is great. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on the trails, and I already see a nice muddy area that we gotta cross right up there. Wonderful. Welcome to the Adirondacks. Got a nifty bridge here, crossing a brook. At least we don't have to worry about crossing the brook, right, Bernie? That's good, huh? Wow, bridges are nice.
Dad, I'm scared to cross brooks because of my ass.
Yeah. All right, we're about a mile in. So we got a couple signs here, and that's where we're going. We're going down Algonquin, right? Okay, and on the other side of Algonquin is Iroquois. So we're about a mile in. Very easy hike so far. Not too bad at all. Nice and flat. It'll get steep soon though.
Knock on wood, Dad.
Knock on wood. Lots of rocks. Almost to the falls. Lots of rocks. All right, this is quite a rock climb here. Here's eye level, so it goes up pretty good. This is right before the falls. All right, once again, there's eye level. See some clouds out in the different distance. Hopefully it clears up. All right, up we go. Yeah, we have hit Macintyre Falls. Let's go. Oh, look at that. A lot of rain, so that makes it flow pretty good. Standing right in the middle of the path. Goes right down. Beautiful. All right, take a couple pictures here and rest for 2 minutes and move on. All right, at the waterfall. Waterfalls are about 2.6 miles in from the trailhead. Now we go straight up. Right here's eye level, straight up. Lots of rocks, all the way up to the fork between Wright and Algonquin, and then we'll head to Wright. We'll check that out in a second. All right, so we're taking a break here on the trail going up to the Y, and I'll tell you what, you know, a mile in the woods and going at elevation is a lot different than going a mile in the street. 1 mile could take about 40 minutes or longer, depending on how steep it is and how hard it is, whether you're jumping over puddles or big rocks, you know. So we take breaks and rejuvenate ourselves and just keep trekking along. So this is what we're doing. We take a few breaks. Don't like to film any of them, but you know what? I'm sweating pretty good. My head is completely drenched. Pretty humid out, but starting to get cooler as we go up, that's for sure. All right, let's go. This is warning, weather subject to severe change. Do not proceed beyond this point without proper gear. Once again, eye level, going up. All right, right next to us is the mountain. I don't know what it is. It's a big rock though. All right, we're at the Y. And we're gonna go straight up that way. We're gonna go to Wright first.
0.4 miles.
And head up Algonquin and Iroquois afterwards. 0.4 miles. Hoping it's quick. Looks pretty wet though. We'll see how long it takes us. This is the view on up to Wright.
Not foggy enough to make us.
Looks like, I believe that's Algonquin. I'm pretty sure that's in the clouds though. I think that's Iroquois. I don't know. Could be right, could be wrong. Either way, we're gonna get there. Plants are rare, fragile, very much endangered. Don't walk on them, it'll kill them. Stay on the path, people. Alright, we are on the top of Wright Peak. This is number 4. Number 4, give us a 4, Bertie. It is very, very windy, very cold up here. But we got some nice views. We'll take some pictures of the views, but number 4, yep. That's the lake, that's Heart Lake, I believe. Alright. So next behind us is Algonquin. That's what we're gonna hit up next. You think it's cold here? It's gonna be real cold up there. Alright.
So I just talked to everybody and thank everyone for sticking with me around.
Oh, we got a pup. Next. Oh, Lord. Got a little windy real quick, didn't it? Oh, really? We just put ours in our packs down there. To the plane wreck area. Take a look at that. Boys are really interested in that. So the wind, the summit steward was here. She said that it was about 25 mile an hour winds up here. It's cold. We had to put on our jackets, but all right, now we gotta figure out how to get there. Okay. All right, so here's some of the plane wreckage. Now we gotta figure out there's more we saw over here. We're gonna try and figure out how to get down that way. All right, here's the plane wreck area. This is still our view. I'll just calm down a little bit, but crazy, a plane wrecked right here, huh?
I wonder how it got like right here.
Well, it probably went right off the cliff here, or that way, or I don't know which way. Pretty cool, though. Pretty crazy. Tragic. All right, we're back down at the intersection. It's windy up there. So next is we're having our snack right now. We got our, they might have candy, they might have their sandwich. I'm not sure what they're gonna have, but I'm gonna have a Lucky Charms treat. I don't know. maybe something else. But yeah, Wright was awesome. And it looks like it's clearing up at Algonquin too, which is, it's up there. So it's probably gonna be windy up there. Pretty hard to probably take videos and stuff, but we'll manage. We'll get through, right guys?
Yeah.
It's intimidating, but we can do it. There's eye level. There's up on the way up to Algonquin. This is quite the rock climb here.
Is that a bird over there?
It is very humid out. It's fine.
Is that a bird over there?
I don't know.
What is that?
On our way up to Algonquin. We're tired. There's Wright where we were just at. Nice day. Tough climb. All right, number 5. Second highest peak in New York State, right here, Algonquin. It is very, very beautiful up here. Very pretty. We'll take some surrounding videos. We already took a picture, so number 5 is done. On to number 6 here in a little bit. We can see it. I'll video it here in a second. All right, so it's a little windy up here too, but this is where we got to go next. That's Iroquois. Way over there. Yep. Boys are already dreading it, but it'll be fine once we get on the trail. But this is just a beautiful view. Beautiful view. Even though it's cloudy and a little hazy, it's just amazing. I'll try and get the other side here in a second. Trying to go nice and slow, because I got told if I go too fast, you can't really see. So that's the next one, right there, right there. All right, this is the other side. You got views everywhere up here. You could spend an hour up here and just look. Down there is Heart Lake. That's where we gotta go home. Oh man, what a view. Really nice. All right, where are we going next?
Now we are going to Iroquois.
All right, away we go. All right, on our way over to Iroquois, we're looking at Lake Colton. Forget. All right, this is our trek over to Iroquois, coming up Algonquin. Straight across. All right, on our way to Iroquois. Gotta go up that. That's fun. See the cairn at the top. That's the right way to go. On the summit to Iroquois. Got ourselves a little ladder here. Bernie's gonna have to tie a shoe at the top. All right, they made it. All right. Here we are on the summit of Iroquois. How many is this now, Bernie? 6. Bryson, how many?
6.
6 down. Where'd it go? Huh?
How many?
Beautiful. We got Algonquin over there. That's where we came from. We gotta go back that way. Okay. Surrounding area here. Again, another 360-degree view. A little windy, but really nice. Really nice. Trail's a little muddy, but not as bad as other ones we've done. Oh, it's just a nice view. All right, we'll take a couple pictures and then we'll be on our way out. Okay, it's about 6 miles in. It's about 5 hours. 38 minutes to get here. It's starting to get a little chilly, so I'm gonna take a couple pictures and move on down. forgot to show you, that's called the Shepherd's Tooth right there, and over there is Marshall. Okay, that's another 46er that we are not doing today. In order to do that, you have to go down that way. But we're not doing that. We are going to, you have to bushwhack through there. We are going back to Algonquin and heading back down. The boys say it's gonna be easy, but it's not always easy on my knees. There we go. Taking a stop, put the sweatshirts in for our ascend back up to Algonquin. It's right there. Gotta go down and back up. And after that, straight down, all the way to the parking lot. Woo! All right, we're back at Algonquin. Everything from here on out is downhill, so we're done ascending. Now the descending goes. The boys think it's faster. It's pretty fast, but my knees kind of hurt. Not like these guys. Nice view park still. Beautiful day. Good thing we picked today to do this hike. Really nice. All right, the slide back down from Algonquin. There's eye level. There's the slide. Last of the leg of our journey. Stopping for probably our last rest at Macintyre Falls. Enjoying it for a good minute or two, and then we'll be heading out. Still pretty. All right, so we finished. We got them all. We got all three of them in today. 11 miles, 11.16 miles, 9 hours, 48 minutes. We came, we saw, we conquered. However, it kicked our butts. We are dog tired. Our feet hurt, knees hurt, everything hurt. But now it's on to Stewart's for some ice cream and some milkshakes. All right. It's time to celebrate. Got some chocolate shakes. Bernie's got a vanilla cone. We are exhausted. Uh-oh. Somebody's beeping here, but we are exhausted. That was not an easy hike whatsoever. The descent is actually what got us. We were more tired after that. But these hikes are not for people who are quitters. That's right. Because there's a couple times when we wanted to quit, but there's nothing you can do. You got to keep pushing through. And that's what we did. We stayed mentally tough. We got it done. What was your favorite part, Bernie?
Climbing.
What was your favorite part, Bryson?
All the views and stuff.
Yeah, that's my favorite part. Was definitely the views. The views, absolutely,
We did
360 degrees on all three summits. We picked a great day. We got lucky. We were gonna do Phelps and tabletop, but we decided that, you know what's gonna be nice. Let's try and
It was
do some
a little
bigger
chilly
ones.
up there.
It was cold. Yes, windy. All right, so that bags 4, 5, and 6 for us. So we're now 6 done out of 46. Nice job, guys. All right, until next time. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. It's only a couple days till Birdie's birthday, so this will be his last set of high peaks as an 8-year-old. He'll be 9 next time he does another one. It's a different story when you're 9 years old as compared to 8 years old doing a high peak. A lot more expectations. A lot harder ones. They're all hard. All right. Now I'm signing off.